Now that we have learned how to open an account in RefWorks, and we have learned how to create a bibliography using the searches that we found in the databases, we are going to learn how to use Google Scholar to do a search. So again, we're starting here on the Colorado College Tutt Library homepage. We're going to go over here to the left under Login, and we're going to click on RefWorks. I'm going to right click so that I can open this up in a new tab. And I'm going to go to that new tab. It has a place for me to log in. And there are the references that I found in our last session. Now that I have RefWorks open, I'm going to go back to the Tutt Library homepage and find some new references. So again, I'm going to search for agricultural effects. And this time, when I go over to select a database, I'm going to go to Google Scholar. And I'm going to go to Go. So here are all of the things that I found just under agricultural offsets, just by looking at these descriptions. First of all, if I click on the title, it's going to take me to the article that I can read. And it tells you over here if it's full text, if it's HTML, if it's PDF, so you can see that. Another thing, though, that you can find in a Google search or a Google Scholar search is you can see some interesting, helpful data down here. So if you look at this first one, this has been cited by 68 different articles. If I click on that, it brings up a whole other place where I can look for information so that I can do more research. It also has related articles, so if I click on that, it takes me to another page with a whole bunch of other articles that have other information that is related. It also lets me cite my source. Okay, so if I click on this, I find out that I really do like it, and I want to use that information. I read it, and it's got some good data that's going to help me with my infographic. I can then come back to here, and I can say Cite. Right here, I can select APA, and I can send it to RefWorks. So here we are back in RefWorks, and remember, we want to select the one on the left because we haven't, Colorado College has not purchased this ProQuest anyway. So we're going to choose the Export to Legacy Net RefWorks. It's importing it into our reference list. So now it's added to my list, and I can quickly just go to Create Bibliography if I'm ready to do that. Again, I want to make sure I'm in APA 6th, and I want to select a file type. I'm going to select Microsoft Word for Mac, because I'm on a Mac, and I'm going to create a bibliography. And then it downloads into my Downloads folder. Bring that down so you can see it, and you can see again that it's alphabetized my references. They are in correct format, but again, you want to check that and make sure. Look at some APA rules and make sure that this has followed them, because it doesn't always do it the way it's supposed to. So you need to check that out, and that's all there is to it.